The following segment is sponsored by Pinners Conference and Expo. If you love to craft, the Pinners Conference is the place you need to be this weekend. Kari is here to tell us all about it and what classes she will be teaching. Kari, thank you so much for being here with us.
Yeah, of course.
So we've been talking about the Pinners Conference. For those who maybe don't know, what is it? What can we expect from it?
Oh gosh, Pinners, if you haven't been, it's an amazing craft fair and show. There are hundreds of classes and booths. It's a place to come shop. It's a place to connect and learn and create and craft. It is so fun.
I love that. A place to shop, connect, learn. There's so many things going on. What kinds of classes are taught at the expo?
All kinds of hands-on, like crafty classes. They have like craft classes. They also have classes about like from healthcare. Like they have, so you can just go learn if you don't want to be hands-on. You can go online and see all the different classes that are taught, and there's a bunch of different categories, and there's something for everyone there.
There's something for everyone if you want to craft, if you don't want to craft. The Pinners Conference is the place to be.
Totally.
What classes are you teaching?
Okay, so we have two really fun classes, one Friday and one Saturday. One of them is this darling set of deer cutouts that you can see up here.
They're so cute. Look at those. Those are
so
adorable.
Fun. You'll be surprised how fast and easy it is to make these. It comes with everything you need to even like tie the ribbons around their necks, and it's they're so cute and festive, and just kind of some good texture for your other Christmas decor.
I love it. Getting ready for Christmas already. You are speaking my language. I start celebrating as soon as Halloween's over.
Perfect.
So what did you bring with us today?
Okay, so I brought a simple project to show you. We have these really cute little tree cutouts. Look, they look so simple and kind of fun, modern. I'll just show you how quick it is to use our product to transform a really plain cutout into something you'd want to display.
Pretty magical. You're going to show me some crafting Christmas magic right now.
Heck yeah. Okay, so this is a silk screen. We call them transfers. It's basically like a silk screen adhesive.
Perfect.
So you can see it's kind of sticky on the back, and it's got this silk in it.
Love it.
So I'm sticking it down on this. We call it a fuzzing cloth.
A fuzzing cloth.
Yeah, isn't that funny?
It sounds very technical.
Right?
Fuzzing cloth.
Fuzzing cloth. It just picks up some lint so that it won't stick too much to your surface. And then you can see it's specially made so it like fits exactly to the size.
Oh, this is so easy.
So I'm gonna just get it placed down and stuck. And then in our booth, you'll find all these transfers, all these cutouts, all these beautiful colors of Chalkology paste. This one is a shimmer. Can you see the glitter?
I was just about to tell you how much I love the glitter.
I know, it's so cute. It's glitter without the mess.
Love it. Glitter without the mess. That's what every parent loves to hear.
So literally, you just like load some on, and then you start to spread it around.
Oh, this is so easy.
No, it really is. You'll be surprised.
And then as soon as that dries, you just peel off the
before it dries. We're gonna get to live the magic like before it's even dry.
You're literally going to finish this before we wrap up.
Oh, so for sure.
While you're finishing that, just remind us, where can you get tickets for the Pinners Conference?
Okay, so go online to Pinners Conference. You can buy tickets there, or just go to the door. You can buy them. It's at the Sandy Expo Center.
Perfect.
This weekend, it's Friday and Saturday. So you can buy tickets at the door or go buy them online and see all the fun classes.
Perfect. So much to do, so much to create, so much to learn, and you are finishing the project right now. Ta-da! And it is complete. There you have it. Kari, thank you so much for being with us today.
You are so welcome.
We loved having you.
Thanks.